Does auto insurance cover new car replacement value? Imagine buying a brand new car and hoping it stays perfect for years to come. But what happens if it gets totaled in an accident or stolen? Does your auto insurance help you replace it with a new one? That's what we're here to find out. Standard auto insurance policies usually do not automatically cover the full cost of replacing a brand new car. Instead, they pay you the vehicle's current market value, which is often less than what you paid because of depreciation. However, there is an optional coverage called new car replacement coverage that can change this. This add-on is designed to help you replace your totaled new car with a brand new vehicle of the same make and model, not just the depreciated value. To qualify for this coverage, your car generally needs to be relatively new, often within the first 1 to 5 years of ownership. The age limit varies by insurer, so it's good to check the specific policy. You also need to be the original owner, which means leased cars usually do not qualify. Your vehicle must have active comprehensive and collision coverage, since new car replacement is an extra feature added to these coverages. Mileage limits are common, often around 15,000 to 24,000 miles, to keep you eligible. You usually need to buy this coverage shortly after purchasing your car, often within a few months. When your car is declared a total loss due to an accident, theft, or natural disaster, this coverage pays for a brand new replacement of the same make and model, minus your deductible. This way, you avoid losing money from depreciation, which standard policies do not cover. Some policies also include extras like loan or lease gap coverage, which covers the difference between your car's actual cash value and what you still owe on your loan or lease. Glass deductible coverage is another option, lowering your deductible for windshield or window damage. This coverage is especially helpful for new car owners who want to protect their investment from rapid depreciation and ensure they can replace their vehicle with a new one instead of a used model. Remember, standard auto insurance pays based on your car's depreciated value, but new car replacement coverage offers a way to get a brand new vehicle if your new car is totaled within the specified time frame and you meet the insurer's conditions. It can be a smart choice for those who want peace of mind and to keep their new car investment protected.